My name is Michael Anthony, and I want to introduce you to the only Lightroom presets that you'll ever need. I'm an active wedding photographer that runs a busy studio in Los Angeles, California. I created the Elevate Lightroom preset system because I wanted to make editing simple, efficient, and consistent. Like most photographers, you probably get swamped with tons of editing during your busy season. So any tool that can help save time and still produce beautiful imagery can be a lifesaver. After working on this for 18 months and doing a lot of testing, I truly believe that we have created an amazing tool for photographers, one that's unlike any other. Most presets don't work because developers promise a one-click solution, and they don't take into account the fact that every image is different. And I'm not just talking about lighting. Color, contrast ratio, composition, and story are all big factors in how we want to edit our photos. There isn't a single preset that can replace your creative decision-making process. But let me tell you the biggest reason that presets don't work. They don't teach you how to use them properly. There's no educational component to go along with them. With the Elevate preset system, we've built a full training platform for photographers to learn how to edit in Lightroom using our system. The included video courses cover how to best use the presets with a variety of different shoots like weddings, engagements, boudoir, and more. These courses also cover advanced techniques like creating custom camera profiles, range masking, and using local adjustments to make truly amazing fine art edits without ever having to leave Lightroom. This pack features 10 unique looks and will give you the tools to create colorful, vibrant images with beautiful skin tones that are useful for both high volume workflows as well as creative fine art imagery. We also created the Elevate retouching brushes to go alongside the presets. These will give you a variety of useful tools to really make your imagery the best that it can be. We've included 20 unique brushes to help you do what you do best: create. We're also including 75 retouching tools to get consistent adjustments in your imagery and take the guesswork out of tweaking your presets. What really sets our system apart is the fact that it's not a one and done system. We'll continue updating it over time, and as our library of training videos grows, you will have access to all of them for life. Welcome to a new world of Lightroom editing, where we'll help you unlock the power of Lightroom through a combination of convenience and knowledge. With that combination, there's no limit to your creativity. Again, I'm Michael Anthony, and let's elevate the industry together.